In this episode, we are celebrating Valentine's Day. So we have some luscious reds for the nails and for the lips. Stay tuned for more. Beauty Bridge is one of the leading online retailers for all things beauty: skincare, bath and body, fragrance, hair, cosmetics, nail, and personal care products. And welcome back to this episode of Beauty with Jalia here at Beauty Bridge. I want to thank you for continuing to like, comment, and subscribe, and we're going to dive right in. This episode is all about Valentine's Day. So I have some luscious reds that we're highlighting on the nails and the lips. I have my lovely model Amber with me, and we're going to dive right in. Don't you want kissable lips for Valentine's? Of course you do. So I have two products that I'm going to show you on the lips from Amber Dazzle. They have two shades that they've sent us, which are awesome. I actually have this one on. This is the famous color. But what I'm going to use on my lovely model Amber Dazzle, Amber, hello, go figure, is the Fabulous tone, which is more of a fuchsia type of hue. I've used this one, and they are matte products. They come with a pencil and a liquid matte, but I've added a little bit of gloss to my particular color because I like more of a glossy look. But we're gonna show you exactly how to use these. Okay, so what I've done is prepped Amber's lips with a little bit of a moisturizer, just using an applicator. So I'm just gonna go over her entire lip. And regardless if you use a matte, a cream, a frost, whatever type of lip product, you definitely wanna always make sure you moisturize first. And what I'm gonna do now is go in with using the pencil. And this is, again, the Fabulous tone. So it has that nice plum fuchsia note to it. And we're just gonna softly line her lips. And she has beautiful full lips, and her lips are actually naturally lined. So for individuals that have a natural line to their lips, what you can do is cancel some of that out with a foundation, or you can go directly into it with your pencil. It's really your preference, depending on how true you want the color to look on your lips. And next, what I'm going to do is take the product, and again, this is matte. So it comes in that flock dough applicator, and I'm gonna put some of it onto my palette. And I'm using a lip brush. Why am I using a lip brush? I want a little bit more control, and this is also going to help me be able to line the lips in this particular color. So we're gonna start at the center of the lip and work our way out. So this lip color is a great accompaniment to the rest of her look, and she is all set and ready to go for Valentine's. So our sense of touch is very important when we're thinking Valentine's. So we're gonna change gears a little bit and talk hands and nails. First up, I have the Philosophy Hands of Hope in Berry and Sage. So what I'm gonna do is dispense some of this product onto myself as well as onto my model. I want you to tell me a little bit about what you think about this product. So see, a little goes a long way. So I'm a little funny when it comes to different types of smells. So I like something that's very soft and very gentle, that doesn't have a very strong or poignant odor. But what is your thoughts on this, Amber?
I feel like the texture is really nice. It's not overpowering with the smell, so I do actually like it. It seems like it'll keep you moisturized pretty long.
Awesome, which is very important. You want to have very moisturized hands, not just because of the seasons, but you want to keep your hands and your nails in good condition and keep them from being dry and cracked. So what we're going to look at next is the NCLA polish, which I've actually put the same color on my nails, and I really like this hue. I didn't think that I would because I'm not huge on red tones, but this has a very cool tone to it. And what I'm going to do now is place some of this on Amber's nails. And what I noticed about this particular polish brand is it dries very quickly. I did not put on a top coat at all. So I'm going to show you what this nail color looks like on Amber, whose skin tone is a bit deeper than mine. Now, I love this NCLA so far. This is looking gorgeous on Amber's hands. So I'm going to continue to polish her nails. And what I've noticed is it's richly pigmented. So I don't have to use several coats. I want to thank you for tuning in to this episode dedicated to Valentine's. We've highlighted some amazing products, and I want to thank you for being my gorgeous model. I really appreciate it. So I want you to subscribe, like, comment, share, and if you have any beauty questions, I would love to hear from you. Make sure you drop those below, and until next time, happy Valentine's Day. Be sure to visit beautybridge.com to learn more about these fabulous products that we featured, and subscribe to our YouTube channel @BeautyBridge.